I make 10K, 20K plus per month selling on Amazon with the arbitrage business model. And I'm going to answer this question and talk about the different ways that you can get your items and the different ways that you can get your items to the customers so that I can educate you all and you can understand. So if that's something you want to learn, definitely save this video and I'm going to go ahead and get into it. So, number one, you can either get your items doing retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage is you going into a retail store like your Walmarts, your Targets, your Dollar Tree, Dollar General, any retail store, and you're doing the method of getting items for lower and you're reselling them for higher on Amazon to make a profit. So let's stop there. If you're doing the retail arbitrage way where you're getting your items from a retail store, now the question is, how do you get the items to the customers? You can either do fulfilled by merchant. We refer to this as FBM. With FBM, that is you shipping the items out to the customer. So you're either going to ship it via UPS, FedEx, post office. However you want to ship it out, it's best to ship it out the cheapest way, right? So that is one way you could do it. Another way you could do it is the items that you got via retail arbitrage, you can send them into Amazon, which is now FBA. FBA is fulfilled by Amazon. So if you get your items via retail arbitrage and you send your items into Amazon, which is FBA, once Amazon have your items, they're going to do the shipping to the customer. They're going to store your items. They're going to handle the customer service. They're going to do all of that for you. So when you're doing retail arbitrage, physically getting your items from a retail store, you're either going to ship them out yourself or you would send them into Amazon for them to do the work for you as far as FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. Now, let's talk about online arbitrage. Online arbitrage is a way that you can get items. It is online. Like if you're going to Walmart.com, Target.com, DollarTree.com, DollarGeneral.com, you're ordering your items online. Now, if you're ordering your items online, my recommendation would be to utilize what is called an Amazon Prep Center. When you're using an Amazon Prep Center, a Prep Center is just a third-party facility between you and Amazon. So you would order your items online, you would send it to the Prep Center's address. That's their job, that's what they do. Once they receive your items, they're going to package, prep, label. They'll do all of that for you, and then they will send the items in to Amazon for you. So if you're doing online arbitrage and you're utilizing an Amazon Prep Center, then you don't have to touch the items at all. Again, you order it, send it to the Prep Center. The Prep Center will send it into Amazon. Now we're back at FBA, where Amazon is doing the shipping, the storing, the customer service. They're doing all of that for you. Now, there is a way where you can do online arbitrage and have the items shipped to you to either do fulfilled by merchant, which is you shipping them out yourself, or you then in turn sending them in to Amazon. So that is an option for you. But if you want to bypass that step, you're going to do online arbitrage, utilize an Amazon Prep Center. The Amazon Prep Center receives your item. You ship it to the Prep Center, they receive it, they will package, prep, label it, and then they will send it in to Amazon. So hopefully this clarified that for you. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. If you're not already following me and you came across this video, definitely make sure you are following me for selling on Amazon with the arbitrage business model. That is the way I sell on Amazon, which in my opinion is the easiest way and the least expensive way to get started, because we're selling major brands that are already selling on Amazon, major brands that customers are already buying. So if you found any value, definitely save this video. If you're ready to get started on your Amazon journey, comment Amazon in the comment section, and you can click the link in my bio to learn more.